as all of you are very well aware, that a few days ago, the Honorable Power Minister of Goa had made a call for a public debate, had thrown a challenge of a public debate on the issue of electricity. He said that let the Kejriwal model of electricity be debated with the BJP model of electricity. And he even went to the extent of saying that he will bear the expenses of anyone who wishes to come from Delhi to come and have a public debate with him on this matter.
हे सगळे एक घर ॲड करून कन्झम्पशन कितलं झालं ओवर द लास्ट इयर त्या घराचे ते माझे 5% आसा. सो माझे स्टेटमेंट माझे सारके वेल वर्स आसता. ते स्पोक्स पर्सन हांव कोण ते एलिगेशन करता पळय तांकां जर कळना म्हजो नंबर मातसो तुमी सगळ्यांक दिवचो आनी हांव परतून दिता 9822103292. म्हाका फोन करून विचारा तूं बाबा कितें सांगता तो बेश्टे स्टेटमेंट करपाक जाय म्हण करनाका.
I will now in front of you, using my own phone, call Mr. Cabral and request him for this public debate. The number that he had given, I'm calling him.
डायल केला गेलेला नंबर ह्यावेळेस व्यस्त आहे. कृपया थोड्या वेळाने प्रयत्न करा. The number you have dialed is currently busy. Please try later.
आम्ही डिबेट पण करणार म्हणून ना पण आता जर ते म्हणतात डिबेट जाल्यार पॉवर मिनिस्टर कोण तरी एमएलए आणि जल व्हायस चेअरमॅन उलोवपाक म्हणजे ते प्रोटोकॉल आमी सांबाळपाक जाय. सो ही इज आल्सो गव्हर्नमेंट टू गव्हर्नमेंट लेवल. And you cannot have a debate with somebody who is a vice chairman of jail of Delhi. So I am here to debate with the power minister of Delhi. He can come anytime and he is appointed anytime. Or if he wants me to come to Delhi also, I need to come to debate on the power center of Goa. Not somebody who has to maintain protocol has to be there. No?
He is citing issues of protocol for not participating in this debate. Speaking of protocol, I am an MLA in Delhi. He is an MLA from Goa. I was elected by people of Delhi. He is elected by people of Goa. I am part of the government of Delhi. He is part of the government of Goa. I am part of the administration in Delhi and I look after one portfolio. He is part of the administration in Goa and look after one portfolio. What is the protocol issue? Why is he shying away from this debate? Tomorrow he will say that due to protocol issues, I will not debate with somebody who's wearing a blue shirt. Day after he'll say, because of protocol issues, I will not debate with somebody who's younger to me. These are nothing but excuses. And what has happened is that the BJP High Command has reprimanded the leadership of Goa.
The question of debate was never there, but debate is there. If the Honorable Power Minister of Delhi comes with me, anytime I am there for debating, because that is what technically we have to do. I cannot debate on water issue. The Honorable PW Minister will debate on water issue. So the person who has asked for a debate is Vice Chairman of jail. That is their water supply treatment. That is a different issue. See, I had never challenged anybody.
हिपोक्रेसी की भी सीमा होती है. ये झूठ है.
His number is 9822103292. 9822103292. Mr. Cabral doesn't seem to be answering my phone call.
इस प्रकार की बचकाना बातें किसी के गले नहीं उतरती. लोग मजाक उड़ाते हैं.
It is not about the minister or myself. It is about the people of Goa. If a debate like this would have happened, it would have benefited the people of Goa. It would have deepened democracy. It is a healthy practice in democracy for two people from two different parties, two different ideologies, two different ideas of governance to come together and have a healthy discussion. Unfortunately, Mr. Cabral seems to be running away from this.
जनता को आप मूर्ख समझना बंद कर दीजिए.
और जो मजाक बना रहे हैं ना